We've all been there. We've made pork chops, steaks, chickens, and like, oh shoot, we forgot our steak sauce. We forgot our 57 sauce, if you will. Look what I just made. I just made some pork chops, right? And I don't have any 57 sauce. So this is what I'm gonna do. I got a little bowl and a spoon. I got mustard. Shake the mustard up. Every time you don't shake the mustard up, you know what happens. Pour mustard in the bowl. Okay? A little bit more. About so. Right there, okay? Close the mustard. Shake the ketchup up. Everybody knows what happens when you don't shake the ketchup up. Pour the ketchup in the mustard. Okay? Now it's yellow and red all over. Inside the bowl, right? Ketchup and mustard. Now we just mix it. Oops, shit. Spilled some. And that's how you make 57 sauce on a budget.